how you did that, you know. I pride myself thinking I had a pretty cool relationship with the guy. Somebody made a joke about selling T-shirts. I never forget, you got a hold of these guys living on the dirt road. You take care of yourself. He said, you know, I'm going to negotiate my own deals. I'm going to help build this industry. And he was a guy that basically got this merchandise thing off and running.
Hi, Boo. Hi, Boo. Hi, Boo.
I'm going to get my name. I'm not going to give my name away to people. I'm going to have control of my destiny when it comes to the merchandising end of it. It was just a really cool
video in it.
That aspect. He did talk quite often, and so I feel like I understood him more than most.
Heck, it's always been there. I always wanted to win. I always wanted to race. First, I just wanted to get in a race car. Got in a race car, and then I got a taste of racing. You don't want to race. You don't want to win. One, now I want to win all the time. You want a championship, got to have another one.
Good.
Real people just like you actually did this. Wait for your turn. This means Greenlight Sweepstakes coming soon.
Hi, Chris.
Built for speed and protected with the proven formula of Fresco. Riders expect certain things from K&M.
Good. Hi, Chris.
Responsive handling. Most power in every class. So we don't expect anything less from K&M side by side. Introducing the K&M Commander, featuring the industry